Hello, lovers. I'm going to walk you through some DIY recipes today. So these are all from the welcome kit from Curate and Celebrate. I have sent these all if you are a new member with me with Young Living. If you have not already received this welcome kit, you will be getting it soon. I've ordered it for all of my members, and I was just sitting here getting ready to do these recipes myself, and I'm like, hey, why don't I do them on camera and you can learn about them? Okay, so the first one we're going to do is this one called So Fresh Room Spray. So in a small spray bottle, so this is one of the bottles that came in the kit, it says So Fresh. In a small spray bottle, add 15 drops lavender, 10 drops lime, and 5 drops spearmint. So most of the recipes that I'm going to do right now are from oils that come in the starter kit, but this one and the spray cleaner have a couple that are outside of the starter kit. So these are going to be a couple extra oils that you want to get. So I've already filled it with water. I've got a little Berkey filter, and it's nearly, my Berkey is almost empty right now. By the way, if you don't have a Berkey, get one. It's amazing. So I filled the water up already. So we're going to do 15 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 15 lavender, 10 lime. I'm excited to see what this smells like. And I am using a couple old doTERRA oils that I have left over because I haven't switched completely over. And then 5 spearmint, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, it's so easy. I love it. And then you have all natural cleaning products and sprays and health support. I mean, you can use it as a physical body spray, right? Because all it is water and essential oils. Smells amazing. Yeah. Okay, so love that. So any of you that are members that are getting this, now you know what to do with that. Okay, next one. This is a larger bottle, so this is for cleaning. I don't know who that is. Joe. Hello, Joe. So these I just got off Amazon. 16-ounce spray bottles. They come with a spray, and then I got another one that has a pump, so they come in a 2-pack each, so those are easy and nice. Okay, so this I have already put in 1 cap full of Thieves household cleaner and then filled the rest with water. All the rest that you do is 10 drops orange, so this is going to be an extra one that's not in the starter kit. So 10 drops there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So there's that orange, 5 drops of lemon. Okay, 5 drops lemon and 5 drops lime. I'm not going to spray this one over my head because it has cleaner in it, but you get the idea. Shake it up, and then you have household spray cleaner. Super friggin' easy. I mean, who doesn't want to use that? Ever since I brought these oils into my home, it's literally like, first of all, it's like inviting, plant medicine into your home and just healing and helping. But it's like the cleaner, everything, the bath scrub that I made, I'm not going to do that today, but that is vinegar, baking soda, lemon, and a little bit of the Thieves cleaner as well. And the first time that I used it, I scrubbed my bathtub and then took a bath right after. Whenever I have used Mrs. Meyer's is usually what I've used prior to this, and I always thought that was like a little bit better. Use that, and then I would take a bath and I would feel itchy and icky, like I could feel it in the bathtub. So yuck. Okay, so the other thing that comes with this kit that's really cool, so there's 3 roller balls that come with the kit, and the labels coming off because there's so much oil, but coconut oil comes with the kit also. So there's 1 for tummy, 1 for sleep, and 1 for wellness. And all of those recipes, when you all get the kit, comes here. They're all right here. There's even more recipes. So if you want to get more roller balls, you can get them on Amazon. I'm pretty sure you can get them on Young Living as well with your regular order. And so there's a bunch of other recipes and you can try those. But I'm going to make the 3 that come with the labels already made. So let's start with wellness. So, and you just wiggle this cap off the top, this rollerball cap, right? So super easy. 10 drops of thieves. 1, 2, 10. 10 drops of lemon. So look at all the things that we've already made with just these few oils. Come on. 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm like, oh my God, am I already out of it? Lemon, you go through that fast. It's used in absolutely everything. And 5 drops of frankincense. Okay. And then you just fill the rest of it with carrier oil, whatever oil you want to use. They sent coconut oil in, I'm just going to squirt it in here. Let's see. I don't have a funnel, so if you have a funnel, that would make this a little bit easier because then you could just pour it. But I don't have one, but it's actually filling up pretty fast. And so wellness, because it's got thieves in it, a really great place to use this, kind of have to get someone else's help perhaps, but is to roll it up the back of your spine. And so you just snap that on, shake it up, roll it, and there you go. Let's see. Oh, yum. So thieves, lemon, frankincense. And frankincense, I feel like, is what I've seen in intuitive healing sessions is frankincense is like the divine masculine. It's kind of the container that holds all the other work, that holds, you know, everything else that we're doing, all the other healing work. So that is wellness. So next is tummy. So that's going to be for obviously belly aches and all of that. So this one is just 10 drops of Digize, which is for the belly, and 10 drops of peppermint. So I'm going to start with peppermint. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 10. And then 10 of Digize. Some of them are a little bit thicker. The citrus oils are really thin. Okay. 10 there. Okay, and then back with the coconut oil, and you just fill it up. Looks like they've sent enough coconut oil that it's going to make several more roller balls than what they actually sent in the kit. So you can just order some empty roller balls off Amazon or Young Living or wherever you want to get them. There's all kinds of cute ones. You can look on Etsy and find ones that have like crystals in them and cute tops. There's really a lot to choose from. And then you just pop the roller back on that, shake it around, roll it a bit to get the oil to start coming out. Delicious. Now it's kind of mixed on my arm with the other ones, but Digize and peppermint. Yum. Okay, last one. And there's also a little cute Epsom salt that comes with the kit. So the last one is sleep. And that is 10 drops of peace and calming and 10 of lavender. How easy. 1, 2, 3, and it's absolutely green. And lavender. And then this one, you could roll all over your neck, behind your ears before you go to bed. You also could easily make a spray out of this. I would do probably, yeah, peace and calming or stress away. You could do a combo of both of those. And just fill like a small bottle like this with water, and you can make a linen spray out of that. So you could spray it over your pillows before you go to bed. You can diffuse it. I have a diffuser, of course, sitting right by my bed, so I do that every night. Okay. Yeah, so there's plenty more of oil in this kit to make more rollers. So this is the stress away, little peace and calming in lavender. There's another one called slow down that is stress away in lavender. So you can make that too. And then you can make your own labels. Etsy sells labels too if you want to get some that have you know, pre-named on them like this, but you can also just write your own, whatever you want. And then the last thing in the kit here, I gotta get my glasses on to read this, but it's Epsom salt, and you just add a couple of oils to, yeah, you don't even have to add it in this container. You can just toss this whole thing in the bath and put whatever you want in the bath. I usually use a version of lavender, sometimes rose if you need like a little bit of extra self-care. You know, rose is kind of the heart work oil, so if you need a little bit of support with that. And otherwise, there you go. Super friggin' easy to make. I love it. If you have any questions, DM me and let me know. Okay, take care. Namaste.